Good afternoon. So, my next thoughts, much simpler, much less controversial, just less. Thinking about trucks again, F-150 Tacoma, but there's a new runner-up that I'm interested in, the Ford Maverick. Which one? Well, Ford Maverick it's a mini pickup, compact pickup, there we go. Like a Tacoma. Comes in two flavors, comes in a hybrid, 4-cylinder, or it comes with an EcoBoost 4-cylinder. And I mean, it's not as powerful as the Tacoma. Clearly, not as powerful as the F-150. I've kind of been drifting away from the F-150 because I still don't think I want a full-size truck. Compact truck, yes. So I guess really it's between the Tacoma and the Maverick. Maverick has got a much better price point considering base MSRP for a 2022 is 20 grand and a base MSRP for a 2022 Tacoma is like 29 grand. So there is definitely a price point difference. But the fuel economy and the handiness of having a truck bed in the hybrid version gives me 36 miles per gallon on that thing. Plus a truck bed. It's got like a load capacity of like 2,000 pounds, but that's on paper, so probably could push it up to 2,500 or 3. I'm not going to be towing giant trailers, so a hitch would work. I guess I really should test drive it and see. I mean, this isn't like anytime in the near future kind of a thing, but it's one of those I keep waffling because I really like the looks of the Tacoma, as I mentioned before, but the Maverick is also a pretty looking truck. Plus, once upon a time, my first car was a Mercury Comet. My second car was the original version of the Ford Maverick, which was not a truck. Not a truck at all. It's a four-door sedan with a 302 in it and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Same thing I had in my first Mustang. But anyway, so that's kind of where I was thinking with my trucks. Is I'm not sure because the EcoBoost 4-cylinder gets 26, 27 miles per gallon, and it's got 250 horsepower. Very similar to the Tacoma's V6 engine. So I'm wondering why it's got a much lower tow capacity than the Tacoma does, but probably the transmission would be my guess. Anyway, but a hybrid, given the price of gas and it's not looking like it's letting up, would definitely be convenient. So, let me know what you guys think. Your opinions. Maybe you have a different truck. I've looked into Honda Ridgelines. Alright. Nissan Frontier. Ford Rangers. None of them just seem to attract me like the Maverick and the Tacoma. So, yeah. I say so a lot, apparently. Let me know what you guys think. I'll talk to you guys later.